Welcome to PMP Exam Express, your fast track to mastering the PMP exam with real-world scenario questions that challenge your thinking, just like the real test. In today's session, we're diving into agile and hybrid project scenarios covering everything from sprint reviews, stakeholder pressure, remote team communication, to regulatory changes and team dynamics. Each question will test not only your knowledge, but your decision-making as a true project leader. We won't just give you the right answer. We'll explain why it's right, highlight keywords, and link everything to the Project Management Body of Knowledge, 7th edition, and the Agile Practice Guide. So grab your notes, lean in, and don't forget to stay to the end. There's a reason why PMP candidates are loving this channel. Let's jump into question 1. 1. During a sprint review, Raj, a key stakeholder, requests a major feature not in the backlog. Priya, Scrum Master, notes the team can deliver it, but warns it will delay the release. What should Priya do first? A. Add the feature to the next sprint without changes. B. Facilitate a discussion between Amit, product owner, and Raj to assess priority C. Direct the team to implement it immediately to satisfy Raj. D. Reject the request since it violates the sprint goal. Correct answer. B. Facilitate a discussion between Amit, product owner, and Raj to assess priority explanation. Let's look at the keywords in this question. Sprint review. This is a key agile ceremony where stakeholders provide feedback, but it is not a change approval meeting. Raj is a key stakeholder, which means his input is valuable, but he doesn't manage the backlog. Priya is the Scrum Master. Her role is to facilitate collaboration, not make scope decisions. The feature is not in the backlog, and delivering it would delay the release, a clear impact to timeline. So what should Priya do? Not act alone. The product owner is the one responsible for backlog prioritization. The best action is to facilitate a conversation between the stakeholder and the product owner to assess how this request fits into the product roadmap. References: Agile Practice Guide, Section 4.3.1, Product Owner Role. Project Management Body of Knowledge, 7th edition, Section 2.4.3, Stakeholder Engagement. Exam tip: when you see phrases like, "What should you do first?" think sequencing. PMI expects you to initiate collaborative evaluation, especially when roles and responsibilities are clearly defined. 2. A hybrid project's predictive phase is behind schedule. Lena, Agile Coach, suggests switching to iterative delivery for remaining work. Carlos, Project Manager, is concerned about stakeholder expectations. What should Carlos do first? A. Update the baseline to reflect the new approach. B. Assess feasibility with Maria, sponsor, and analyze impacts. C. Proceed immediately to avoid further delays. D. Reject the change to maintain the original plan. Correct answer: B. Assess feasibility with Maria, sponsor, and analyze impacts. Explanation: key phrases to focus on here. Hybrid project. This means both predictive and agile approaches are being used. Predictive phase is behind schedule, so something needs to change. Lena, the Agile Coach, suggests a process shift. Carlos, the Project Manager, is rightly concerned about stakeholder expectations. You don't change project delivery models midstream without assessing feasibility and discussing the impact. The right move is to speak with the sponsor, who holds the business authority, and evaluate how this change will affect scope, cost, and stakeholders. References: Project Management Body of Knowledge, 7th edition, Section 2.6, Tailoring. Agile Practice Guide, Section 5.4, Hybrid Approaches. Exam. Tip: if a question involves changing delivery strategy, the answer often involves impact analysis and stakeholder alignment. Never jump to execution. 3. David, developer, Working remotely consistently misses daily stand-ups due to time zone differences. Annika, Scrum Master, notices reduced transparency. What's the best action? A. Remove David from the team for non-compliance. B. Adjust the stand-up time to include David. C. Allow David to submit updates asynchronously. D. Escalate to James, Functional Manager. Correct answer, C. Allow David to submit updates asynchronously. Explanation. Let's call out the key terms. Working remotely means there are physical and geographical constraints. Misses daily stand-ups due to time zone differences. This isn't negligence, it's logistical. Reduced transparency. The impact of missed participation. You're asked for the best action, so look for the most agile-aligned, sustainable solution. Agile isn't rigid. It promotes adaptability. If David can't join in real time, asynchronous updates allow him to contribute and maintain team transparency without disrupting the ceremony for everyone else. References: Agile Practice Guide, Section 5.2.2, Daily Stand-Ups, Project Management Body of Knowledge, 7th edition, Section 3.3, Communication. Exam tip: remote teams and distributed time zones are common in exam scenarios. Choose options that uphold agile values, individuals and interactions, and responding to change, without sacrificing visibility. Quick pause. If you're finding these PMP scenarios valuable, imagine having this kind of clarity for every topic on the exam. Subscribe to PMP Exam Express now and turn study time into exam confidence, one question at a time. Let's keep going. Question 4. Mid-sprint, Nina, product owner, insists on adding a critical regulatory requirement. The team says it will require dropping planned work. What should Nina do next? A. Cancel the sprint and replan. B. Add the requirement and reduce scope elsewhere. C. Defer the requirement to the next sprint. D. Overrule the team to meet compliance. Correct answer, A. Cancel the sprint and replan. Explanation. Let's highlight some important words here. Mid-sprint. We are right in the middle of execution. A critical regulatory requirement, not just a feature. It's a compliance issue. The team says it will disrupt current scope. The sprint goal is now in jeopardy. According to Scrum, if a sprint goal becomes unachievable, the product owner has the authority to cancel the sprint. In this case, regulatory compliance changes the context drastically. Canceling and replanning is the best route. References: Agile Practice Guide, Section 5.2.3, Sprint Planning Project Management Body of Knowledge, 7th edition, Section 3.5, Compliance Exam Tip. Know the rare but legitimate reasons a sprint can be canceled. Critical regulatory demands are one of them. 5. During iteration planning, team lead Rohan and developer Sarah disagree on story point estimates. Layla, Agile coach, observes tension. What should Layla do? A. Assign averages to move forward. B. Facilitate consensus through discussion or voting. C. Defer the stories to the next iteration. D. Let Nina, product owner, decide. Correct answer, B. Facilitate consensus through discussion or voting. Explanation. Key phrases to look out for. Iteration planning. This is where effort estimation happens. Disagree on story points, meaning different views on complexity or effort. Layla is the Agile coach and her job is to facilitate, not dictate. Agile estimation relies on team consensus, not managerial override. Techniques like planning poker are specifically designed to create shared understanding through discussion and voting. References: Agile Practice Guide, Section 5.2.2, Estimation, Project Management Body of Knowledge, 7th edition, Section 2.7, Team Empowerment. Exam tip. PMI will test you on team dynamics. When in doubt, choose facilitation over delegation. 6. Mr. Gupta, stakeholder, complains that Agile teams don't document enough. Kiran, project manager, knows the team follows Agile principles. How should Kiran respond? A. Increase documentation to meet Mr. Gupta's expectations. B. Explain how Agile balances documentation with working deliverables. C. Switch to a predictive approach for the next phase. D. Ignore the feedback to maintain team velocity. Correct answer, B. Explain how Agile balances documentation with working deliverables. Explanation. Look at the cues. A stakeholder complaint about lack of documentation. The team is following Agile principles, so the concern may come from a misunderstanding. Agile values. Working software over comprehensive documentation, but it doesn't mean no documentation. Kiran's role is to educate stakeholders and clarify that documentation should be lean and purposeful, not excessive. References: Agile Manifesto, Principle Number 7, Project Management Body of Knowledge, 7th edition, Section 3.1, Communication. Exam tip. Choose the answer that promotes understanding Agile values, not blindly reacting to stakeholder pressure. 7. A team finishes a sprint with incomplete stories due to unresolved dependencies on external Team Alpha. Scrum Master Raya leads the retrospective. What should Raya focus on? A. Why the sprint goal wasn't adjusted earlier. B. How to mitigate dependency risks in future sprints. C. Assigning blame to external Team Alpha. D. Reducing sprint length to avoid overcommitment. Correct answer, B. How to mitigate dependency risks in future sprints. Explanation. Look at the scenario. The sprint ended with incomplete stories because of external dependencies. Ria is now running the retrospective, which is about improvement, not accountability. The goal is to find process-level insights. Ria should help the team focus on how to manage dependencies better in the future, whether that's earlier communication, mock interfaces, or changing sprint planning tactics. References: Agile Practice Guide, Section 5.3, Retrospectives. Project Management Body of Knowledge, 7th edition, Section 3.6, Problem Solving. Exam tip. Retrospectives are for root cause analysis and continuous improvement, never about blame. 8. A Kanban team's WIP limits are frequently exceeded because VP Singh pressures them to take on more work. Coach Arjun investigates. What's the root cause? A. Insufficient team training. B. Unrealistic stakeholder expectations, VP Singh. C. Lack of visual management tools. D. Poorly defined done criteria. Correct answer. B. Unrealistic stakeholder expectations, VP Singh. Explanation. Let's unpack this. A Kanban team has WIP, work in progress limits, a core rule in flow-based systems. The limits are frequently exceeded due to pressure from VP Singh. Arjun is trying to find the root cause, not just a symptom. The real issue isn't tools or team training, it's external pressure that overrides process discipline. This is a governance problem, not a technical one. References: Agile Practice Guide, Section 5.4.2, Kanban. Project Management Body of Knowledge, 7th edition, Section 2.5, Delivery Performance. Exam tip. Root causes are often organizational. Look beyond the team when the problem stems from senior leadership behavior. 9. The release plan assumes 30 story point sprints, but team velocity data shows only 25. Product owner Mira must adjust. What should Mira do? A. Replan future releases based on actual velocity. B. Push the team to increase velocity. C. Add buffer time to the project schedule. D. Scale back scope without discussion. Correct answer. A. Replan future releases based on actual velocity. Explanation. Highlights here include: the release plan is based on 30 points, but actual velocity is 25. This tells us planning assumptions are outdated. In Agile, we use empirical data, real performance to guide decisions. Mira must reforecast using the actual team velocity, not idealistic goals. Agile is about realism and adaptation. References: Agile Practice Guide, Section 5.2.1, Empirical Process Control. Project Management Body of Knowledge, 7th edition, Section 2.4.2, Delivery Cadence. Exam tip: velocity is not a target, it's a measurement. Adjust plans based on reality, not wishful thinking. 10. CEO Ms. Patel demands a fixed deadline for an Agile project. PM Vikram knows scope flexibility is key. How should Vikram proceed? A. Negotiate scope flexibility to meet the date. B. Refuse the deadline to protect the team. C. Switch to a predictive approach. D. Commit to the deadline and add contingency buffers. Correct answer. A. Negotiate scope flexibility to meet the date. Explanation. This is a classic Agile challenge. The keywords: fixed deadline from the CEO. Agile project and scope flexibility are in focus. Vikram needs to respond constructively while staying agile. References: Agile Practice Guide, Section 4.2, Agile Contracts Project Management Body of Knowledge, 7th edition, Section 2.4.2, Delivery Cadence Exam. Tip: in fixed deadline scenarios, PMI wants you to negotiate scope, not shift methodologies or overcommit your team. You've just worked through 10 powerful exam-ready PMP questions, all grounded in real-world Agile and hybrid challenges. If you found this valuable, don't stop here. Subscribe to PMP Exam Express for more scenario-based walkthroughs, tips, and commentary that simplify the complex and give you an edge in the exam room. Hit the bell to stay notified, share this with a fellow PMP aspirant, and remember, clarity, confidence, and consistency are what pass the exam. Until next time, keep mastering the mindset of a project professional.